Welcome, this is Peter from Šilā Yog. This is a short non-yoga warm-up to do before yoga sessions or just before any work. If you watch it on YouTube, keep in mind that on my website shilayog.com you can watch it for free as well and without any ads. We'll begin by mobilizing all our joints one by one. Feet hip width apart. Start circling your right ankle clockwise. Right toes aligned with left heel. Then counterclockwise. Switch legs. Circle outward. Reverse the direction. Both feet parallel. Slightly bend your knees. Circle them inward, rubbing them with your hands to generate heat. Then circle and rub outward. Step your feet wider, keeping them parallel. Place your hands on iliac crests. Circle your hips, clockwise. Then counterclockwise. Circle your whole torso, making the largest circles possible. You can either keep looking forward or tilt your head back. Then reverse. Stop in forward fold. Right hand to left foot, left hand up. Switch sides with each breath. Inhale, change foot, exhale, rotate upward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stop in forward bend and interlace your fingers behind your back. Swing your head to the left knee and right knee. Inhale in the middle and exhale to the knee. Place both hands on the ground. Widen your stance slightly. Bend one knee, then switch. The bent knee stays aligned over the foot. Now toes to the sky. One knee and toes face the sky. The other knee opens outward over the foot. In bent leg, the femur stays parallel to the foot. Bring your feet together. Head is hanging down. Bend one knee, straightening another one. Change with each breath. Roll your spine up, vertebra by vertebra. Circle your shoulders forward and backward. Move your arms backward and forward. Align your elbows with your shoulders, rotate your forearms inward and outward. Interlace your fingers and circle your wrists in both directions. Switch direction. Stretch your fists forward, bend them down, up and open. Squeeze down, up, open. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze down, up, open. Now only the neck remains. Move your head in a gentle arc forward, from side to side. Avoid full neck circles. Thank you. If you're heading to work now, have a wonderful day. But if you are joining me for yoga, hit play on the sun salutations video.